Hey everyone, I hope you've had a great day so far and that you are doing well. For this video, we'll be going through a unboxing of the Koenigsegg Jesko, and this was set 76900, and this is from the Speed Champions line from Lego, and this came out this year in 2021. At least over here in Australia, it's probably only a few weeks old. So, doing a little bit of Lego for some diversity, but hopefully this will be a relatively quick review. Unlike Gundam, the boxes of Lego have a little bit to be desired, but they still have the same intended effect. So, looking at the box of the Jesko, I will admit I actually had to look up how to pronounce the car manufacturer. Yeah, got those very interesting to pronounce names, so I may pronounce it weirdly throughout this video. Looking at the front of the box, so here you have the Jesko in its completed glory. Very much representation of the completed kit set. Don't be surprised if I use kit and set interchangeably. Gundams are kits, Legos are sets, and I'm pretty sure I'll reverse the two. So that's a nice look of the Jesko at the front. Looking at the sides, one side completely barren of any life, the other side just a top view of the Jesko, which does look very nice. The bottom side, nothing of value. The top side, so the same image that we saw on the other side, but you do have a bit of a scaling of the wheel here, which will be 1:1. So that's quite nice. And the back, however, will have some more impressive images. So we'll have the actual Jesko as it would look as a real car, and then we have a bit of a low angle zoom the front of the vehicle and a view of the back. So a very nice looking set indeed. So now that we've had a look at the box, the next thing to do will be to crack it open and see what is inside. Okay, so with the box now open, and I was actually quite surprised that nothing looked overly curled over. In fact, this is probably the first time I've seen the actual booklet perfectly flat. So what it came with, so we have the instruction booklet, the assembly. It comes with a decent sized sticker sheet and a total of 3 bags, 2 of which are pretty much responsible for building the vehicle, and the last bag, which is a small one, just for your hubcap options. So here we have the booklet, so just a rehash of the front of the box, what's on the back, just your general product feedback, etc. We won't go all the way through the book, but obviously basic instructions: open the box, go through each bag. It's bag 1, build it, go to bag 2, etc, etc. So there you go. Bag breakdown. So of the 2 bags, bag 1 will do the bottom of the vehicle and the rear, as well as the driver, and bag 2 will pretty much finish off the actual Jesko itself. Obviously, Lego being Lego, they're all nice coloured pages, which I do appreciate seeing compared to a Gundam kit where you just get splashes of colour. So obviously that goes all the way through. Conveniently a page that has stickers on it. Obviously I jumped several pages, and there you go. And in fact, looking at this, you have 2 options of hubcaps for this one, and then the end product there, without any additional bits on the image, just the Jesko itself. And then I guess the Lego equivalent of the parts list, should you need to do replacements. So that was the manual, or its manual goodness. The sticker sheet, so 20 stickers in total. But the good thing about these stickers, they usually, for the most part, will be on a flat surface. So I will admit I do appreciate Lego stickers. They're a nice pleasant break from foil stickers from a usual Gundam kit. So those are the stickers. That'll be fun to put on. And in terms of what was in the box, bag 1 with a few mini bags inside it. So you've got splashes of bits of colour in there. That'll probably be your base car plate. In fact, because I changed to the 8 peg model as opposed to the 6. So I remember in the 6 pegs, this plate here, or at least for the 6 one, tended to be loose in the box. So it's actually nice that they've put everything into a master bag. Having a look at it on the back, it's obviously a very nice colourful assortment of pieces. You can see Lego Man, the minifigure, brick figure. I actually don't know what the correct name is these days. And all sorts of other things in there. That's bag 1 in all its Lego goodness. Obviously the downside about Lego sets, they're not quite. Bag number 2. Once again, more splashes of colour. I believe I can see some micro bags in there, which is fine. The tires I see, that's not too bad. Let's look from the back. So once again, bits of colour, lots of white, black, blue. So should definitely be very fun to put together. And lastly, pretty much the bag with your hubcap covers. So there's actually 2 types. So there's the usual star cover, and then there is this other one. I'm not a car person. I apologize if I don't actually know the correct term for how to describe that particular hubcap. But yes, there's the 2 types in there, so you get to pick one of the 2. I'll potentially just go the stars just to stay aligned to what has been used on the actual imagery. So there we go. There is the Koenigsegg Jesko. Should definitely be a very fun kit. See, as I said, interchangeable. Should be a fun set to build. I'm definitely looking forward to it. I do have a number of Speed Champions stuff to unbox and build. Potentially, because I do want to try and actually properly diversify, I might have to start dedicating certain days for certain things, and just work with that, since it's been very heavy with the Gunpla as of late, which is fine. Still my primary niche area, but with a number of Lego sets haven't come out, it would be nice to give them some limelight as well. So we'll see how that goes. Just realised that is completely off centre, not that it matters. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to leave a comment down below and a like if you enjoyed this content. Subscribe if you wish to follow my channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. Extra content can also be found on my Instagram account, link in the description down below. Thanks again for your support to help grow this channel. It is greatly appreciated. Stay safe and take care, and I will catch you all in the next video. See ya.